The Rooster Who Overslept. A short moral story. In the bustling farm of Sunny Acres, Rudy the rooster had one important job: wake everyone up with his loud crow at sunrise. Every day, the animals relied on him to start their chores, and he never missed a morning. One evening, Rudy stayed up too late chatting with the owls and stargazing. "Just one more story," he yawned, ignoring his heavy eyes. By the time he stumbled into his coop, the moon was high, and so was his sleep debt. The next morning, the sun rose silently. The cows didn't moo, the horses didn't neigh, and the farmer snoozed right through his alarm. The entire farm was still, as if time had frozen. Suddenly, Rudy bolted awake. "Oh no!" he squawked, flapping out of his coop. He crowed as loud as he could, but the sun was already high in the sky. The animals chuckled but forgave him. "Just don't make it a habit," said the wise old goat. From that day on, Rudy made sure to get to bed early. He learned that rest was just as important as responsibility. Moral: being dependable means taking care of yourself first, so you can take care of others. Thank you for watching.